Hello, if all the products you imported from CJ Dropshipping showing out of stock, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix this problem. Now, when you click on products and then all the products you have imported from CJ Dropshipping, they are showing out of stock. Okay, whenever you try to open the product page, it's showing out of stock. I will show you how I fixed it myself and how you can do the same thing. Now, the first thing you need to do is you want to click on products. Let's just start with an easy way on how you can fix this. Click on products and then select the products that are showing out of stock with CJ Dropshipping, and then click on bulk edit. So after you click on bulk edit, you want to click on columns in the top right and then search here for continue selling when out of stock, and then track quantity. Okay, you want to check these boxes. Okay, so after you do that, what you need to do here, as you can see here, track quantity and continue selling when out of stock. Now, continue selling when out of stock, if all the boxes are checked, I'm talking about indoor continue selling when out of stock. If all the boxes are checked, you want to uncheck them, okay, and check them again. Okay, that's what you need to do. So just uncheck them, uncheck them, and then check them again. If they are not checked, you want to check them all, okay? All the boxes. Now here, under the track quantity, if they are checked, you want to uncheck them. Like, for example, if they are like this, all the boxes are checked, you want to just uncheck all the boxes, okay? So after that, you want to click on save in the top right. So after that, you want to go back. Now you want to close your own Shopify store and see if the problem is still there or not. If it's not fixed, what you need to do, probably it has something to do with your shipping rates. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and then click on shipping and delivery. Okay. Now here you will be able to see everything here. Okay. So what you need to do next is you want to click on create custom profile. Now after you click on shipping and delivery, you want to click on create custom profile. Now after that, you want to name this profile whatever you want. Just customers will not see this, so don't worry about it. Now after that, you want to click here on add products, and then you want to add all the products that are showing out of stock. Click on done. After that, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you will be able to see here CJ Dropshipping or something like that. Click on this arrow here, and you want to just make sure you check this one that says new rate for Importify fulfillment service. It will say here CJ Dropshipping. Okay, I'm using Importify, but you will see here CJ Dropshipping. Click on done. Now after that, in the zone name, you want to name this new zone. Customers will not see this. And then you want to check all the regions and countries. And here the customer rate name, you want to add standard, and the price of the shipping is going to be 0. Click on done. After that, you want to click again on new profile, just name this zone whatever, check all of these, click done, and then click on add rate. Adding rate, again the same thing, customer rate name standard, and the price I'm going to leave it 0, free shipping. Okay, and then click on save. Now check if this problem is solved or not. Okay, so probably this is all you need to do to fix this problem with CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so just check now, close your Shopify store and check again to see if the problem is still there or not. If it's still there, you want to go to your CJ Dropshipping, and then you want to delete the product on your Shopify store and then import it again from CJ Dropshipping. Probably it has to do with CJ Dropshipping. You just need to do that and see if the problem is solved or not. If it's not, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know exactly what's happening and I will try to reply to you. And make sure to drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.